Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into one of the most affordable outdoor smart plugs on the market. The Wyze Plug Outdoor. At just under $20. This little powerhouse is about to transform your outdoor setup. Let's get started. First things first, let's unbox this bad boy. You'll get the plug itself with 2 independent outlets, a helpful quick start guide, and that's honestly all you need. This plug is ready to work right out of the box, which is awesome. Before we plug anything in, grab the Wyze app on your phone. Whether you're on iOS or Android, search for Wyze in your app store and download it. Log in with your Wyze account. Create one if you need to, and make sure to allow all the necessary permissions for location and your home network. Alright, now plug your Wyze Plug Outdoor into an outdoor outlet, maybe near your patio or garden. Watch for that amber LED to blink, which tells you it's ready to pair. Open the Wyze app, tap the plus icon to add a device, and follow the prompts to connect it to your Wi-Fi. The app will guide you through it step by step. Once your plug is connected, you've got serious control at your fingertips. Each of the 2 outlets works independently, so you can run different devices and control them separately. The Wyze app shows you real-time energy consumption, helping you track how much power you're using. You can also set schedules to automate everything. Want hands-free control? Link this plug to your Alexa or Google Home device. Just say, "Alexa, turn on the patio lights," and boom, it's done. There's also an awesome away mode feature that randomly turns your outdoor lights on and off to simulate someone being home. Perfect for security when you're traveling. A few quick pro tips to keep your plug running strong. Make sure it's not sitting in standing water or puddles. It's weather resistant but not waterproof. Use quality outdoor extension cords if needed. And remember that while this plug handles rain and moisture well, it's rated IP65, so avoid submerging it. Your outdoor setup will thank you. That's it. You're now a Wyze Plug Outdoor expert. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome smart home guides. Drop a comment below telling us what outdoor devices you're planning to automate. Thanks for watching, and happy smart home building.